Great trip into that mini state of Rhode Island, 297 with a high five.
Yeah, very good, very clear, 297. I'm still rolling here. The focus isn't very clear on the radio, but you can see the signal and the audio is very good. So we'll just let you say a couple more things and then we'll hit the stop button.